Yo, what is up everybody? So today, oh shit, fuck. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for coming back. So today we're just gonna be installing fog lights on Kagevell DC5. So there it is. So here's our fog light, and it basically just goes in there. And then we're gonna wire it up. Apparently it's plug and play, so hopefully it's plug and play, because you know we don't know what we're doing if it's not plug and play. If we have to wire, man, I don't even know what we're gonna do. But yeah, catch you guys then. Damn, motherfucker, K series only. Yeah. So he parked too close, so now we're gonna you know, take pictures, so we're gonna push the car out. So Hack's just setting up, getting everything ready. So in the meantime, I'll show you guys my new my new toolbox. So it's nothing special, nothing too good, but it's good to start off with. So it's just this. Yeah, it's not that big, but like I said, it's better than nothing just starting off with. So it came with the tools. I think it was like 133 pieces. And then yeah, got some shit in there. Got some stickers or whatever. Should stick them on. You know what that says? If you don't know, now you know. It means fuck it. You know, because over here at ZPG Garage, we just don't give a fuck. Zero fucks given, man. Zero fucks given. So we're gonna pull that off there. Oh, there it is. Look, fits perfectly. We're just figuring shit out. Here's the fog lights again.
YouTube tutorial.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we're waiting for month.
But here it is. So, it'll go in like, I think it's like this, like I said before, and then we're gonna wire it. So we're just playing with the wires now.
So this is the. So this we're gonna put it in here. We'll throw it over down.
And connect the A.
And yeah, somehow come out of here.
And then somehow come out.
And then we'll connect it like that.
Yeah, and then we're gonna ground it and shit, eh?
Yeah.
And then put it through the firewall, yeah?
Yeah, firewall.
And then yeah, put it in, yeah. And then connect it. So we're gonna figure everything out, and then we'll catch you guys then.
See ya.
So guys, while Hack's still setting up, I'm gonna take off his front lip because it doesn't go in because the lip is in the way. So if the lip wasn't here, we could have fit it straight in, but the lip's like what, 1 centimeter high? It's 1 centimeter high, whatever. 1 centimeter high. So we're gonna take it up from there. Hey, get the news. Get to use the new toolbox. Yeah. So when you don't know what to do, so you watch YouTube. Hey, lit. BM1. Nah. So I just took off all the bolts and stuff. Now, pretty sure we can take off the lip. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at it. Look. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey man, here's the lip off. So apparently, BM1 got fucking a new lip. So there's a lip, and there's a grill. Like a minute, wrong one, bro, wrong one.
Hopefully not.
Oh, it's tippy.
Gloss black.
So, your one right now is cream, yeah? Leak that cream.
Yeah. The fucking lip.
There's the lip.
Fuck is packaging.
He's so dodgy. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll show you guys what I got. Got the good stuff. Got some good stuff like clear coat and primer and shit. But as you can see, the lip is like fucked. It's got like stone chips. It's peeling off and shit. It lasted pretty long. We'll say what, 2-3 years before this happened. And I just bought some original or I had to get a custom mix, multi-color glue and glue paint. So we're gonna do the lip. So I got a full sander and then primer and then all that shit. But yeah, what the fuck? It's so fat. You like that? What the fuck is this? A 2-piece, a 3-piece lip or some shit?
Why not?
What the heck? Shit. It's more of like a splitter, huh? But fuck. Hey bitch, this already used, man, look. Hey, so I fucking just missed it. So I took it off and now
Test it.
I had the black one. Test it. I had it on now.
Test feet.
Shit, there it is. Black versus chrome. Looks alright, looks sick actually.
Wow, not bad.
So it's been ages. But now we're just trying to plug in another one. So there's a wire like right there, or cable, whatever there, and he has to try and plug it in there, but we're struggling. So our next plan is to take off this and have better access, because our fingers can't fit in, you know. How does it fit in like that, you know? So we're gonna take it off and then hopefully it works.
Try
Hey, which one you gonna choose, bro? Tough choice, huh?
Hey.
Hey.
And then you pop it out.
Yeah, so the button goes in there. Hey, you just plug the other one in.
Plug and play,
Yeah, plug and play, boys.
You got it, alright.
Yeah, so before we plug everything back in, we're just gonna test feed it and then turn it on, see if it works. And if it works, we're gonna clean this up, make it more neater, but we don't know. We plugged everything in and then there's this hanging. Like, we don't know where this goes. We haven't Googled it, YouTube it, what the fuck? YouTube it, and we don't know where that goes. So we're just plugging the battery in back now, and then we plugged it in. We're gonna see if it works, and if it works, it works. If not, then it's probably that wire, or we would have went wrong somewhere. Hopefully this works, because then it'll be good. If not, we're gonna plug it in. Yeah, just for looks. So we're gonna plug in the headlights or fog lights, but not actually like wire it if we can't get this right.
1, 2.
Hey.
Yeah, leave it
Hey, put the wipers on. Nah. Oh fuck, it doesn't even work. So yeah, so we would have went wrong somewhere. I don't even know anymore, but either it's that wire I was saying, that loose wire that's meant to go somewhere, or maybe we stuffed up from somewhere else, but it's not working at the moment. Shit. See, this was the extra wire or whatever. The box didn't even come with instructions or whatever. But what's going here? I don't know.
Careful, you might get electrocuted.
So we're gonna figure this shit out and then we'll get back to you guys when we figure out what step we're gonna do. Yeah. We still couldn't figure it out, so right now we're just gonna go for looks. So we're gonna put the fog lights in. So to make it look sick, you know, fucking sick, make it look 100 times way better. And then, yeah, but we're not gonna plug it in because we don't know what we're doing. So we're just gonna take all the wires out, pack it up, and then next time we're gonna do more research or figure it out, or hey, maybe we'll get fucking someone professional to do it, huh? But yeah, so for now we're just gonna put on these bad boys, make it look sick, but it's not even gonna work. But don't worry, man, it'll look sick.
Oh, fine.
Alright, so here it is. It looks way better, 100 times way better.
Does it work?
Yeah, next time. But it looks sick though, it looks sick as. So it didn't work. We ended up putting it on for looks, but we're gonna figure it out next time, or maybe fucking get someone else to do it. You know, tricks. But yeah, so there it is. Looks better, but doesn't work. But we'll figure it out, or it'll work. It'll work. New day, guys. Next day, or basically 2 days after. So we've hacked DC5 fog lights. We couldn't get it working, but we just put it on, so it looks good. We had all the cables like plugged in and everything, but there was one cable that wasn't plugged in. Like, we googled it, we YouTubed it, and there was that one cable that we didn't know where to go. We played around with it, couldn't find it. So yeah, so it didn't work. So we just put on the fog lights in for looks, and then I think Hack's gonna figure it out, and then hopefully we get it right. And so today we're just gonna be sanding down my front lip as I'm gonna get it prepared to, what the fuck is that, man? Shit, nah. But today we're just gonna be sanding down my front lip. Hey, the car's a bit dirty, but yeah, we're gonna sand down my front lip, get it prepared for paint. Coming soon, so stay tuned. And Fabi's just gonna be tinting his LD's lights, headlight, making it darker. So we'll catch you guys then. So to do the lip, we're gonna take off the front bar first, take off the splitter, take off the lip, and then we're gonna hit the lip, get the paint off. We're gonna use 100 grit sandpaper, and then we get all the paint off. We're gonna use the 400 grit to smoothen it so the primer can stick on, and after the primer, use the 800 grit, and then hopefully it's ready for paint. But hey, I'll show you guys something first. Fuck, 2JZ represent. So I just took off the front bumper. Now we're gonna take out the splitter. So it's gonna unbolt all these bolts and then take the lip off, and then we'll go from there. So let's go. So we just took off the front bumper, took off the splitter, took off the lip, and now we're just sanding it down to get rid of the paint. We're using 100 grit sandpaper. So that's it for today's video. It wasn't much, it was just DC5 fog lights installation and preparing my lip for paint next time. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Later. Yo, welcome back.